Have you ever seen an event where mud, trucks, and absolute chaos collide into one unforgettable weekend? That's exactly what happens at Rednecks with Paychecks. Twice a year, thousands of off-road enthusiasts, thrill seekers, and adrenaline junkies make their way to St. Joe, Texas for one of the most intense and unpredictable gatherings in the country. It's a place where monster trucks soar through the air, ATVs plow through deep mud pits, and even toy Jeeps become vehicles of destruction. It's all about going big, getting dirty, and pushing the limits of both man and machine. But with all the madness, you have to wonder, what are the most insane moments that have happened at Rednecks with Paychecks? Because trust me, over the years this event has seen it all. From jaw-dropping stunts to near disasters and even some truly tragic accidents, this place is a mix of wild entertainment and brutal reality. One of the craziest things you'll ever see here is the Barbie Jeep downhill race. And no, it's not just kids playing around. Grown adults strap themselves into tiny plastic toy cars and launch themselves down a steep hill at full speed. There's no control, no brakes, just pure chaos. The crashes, absolutely brutal. People get tossed, flipped, and slammed into the ground, but they get up laughing because at Rednecks with Paychecks, that's just part of the fun. It's become one of the most iconic parts of the event, and year after year, the crashes just get bigger and crazier. And then there's the mega truck tug of war. Imagine two massive, high-horsepower trucks chained together, each trying to drag the other across the line. It's not just a test of horsepower, it's a battle of brute force. Sometimes engines blow, tires shred apart, and in a few cases, entire trucks have flipped over from the sheer power. If you think your truck is tough, this is where you prove it, or leave an embarrassment. But not every moment at Rednecks with Paychecks is fun and games. This event has seen its share of terrifying incidents. In September 2024, something happened that no one saw coming. A fight broke out, things got heated, and before anyone knew it, a driver, completely out of control, plowed his lifted Ram pickup into a crowd of vehicles. It was a moment of pure chaos. Luckily, there were no deaths, but it was a reminder that when you mix alcohol, high horsepower, and emotions, things can go bad fast. And unfortunately, there have been real tragedies here too. In March 2019, a 25-year-old man, Stephen Fairbairn, was involved in a serious ATV accident. Despite being rushed to the hospital, he didn't survive. It was one of those moments that hit the entire Rednecks with Paychecks community hard, and it wasn't the first. Back in 2015, a 10-year-old boy lost his life at the event, leaving a lasting impact on everyone involved. It's moments like these that remind people just how dangerous off-roading can be when things go wrong. So, what's the future of Rednecks with Paychecks? Well, despite the risks, the event keeps getting bigger, the trucks keep getting faster, and the stunts keep getting crazier. The 2025 Spring Break Edition is already promising new tracks, bigger mud pits, and even more extreme competitions. And with thousands of fans already gearing up for the madness, there's no slowing this event down anytime soon. But here's the real question. Would you dare to experience it yourself? Would you take on the mud pits, race down a hill in a plastic Barbie Jeep, or put your truck to the ultimate test in a tug of war? Because Rednecks with Paychecks isn't just an event, it's a lifestyle. It's a place where limits don't exist, where the mud is deep, and where the only rule is to go all out. So if you ever get the chance, buckle up, hold on tight, and get ready for one of the wildest rides of your life.